Today in this video, I'm going to be telling you about what Web 3.0 is in a very easy way to understand it, and I'm going to give you guys some of my best picks for Web 3.0. Let's talk. Welcome back to Keith Talks, guys. My name is Keith, and in this channel, I talk about everything investment related, from stocks to cryptos and beyond. So let's talk. What is Web 3.0? So if you want to understand what Web 3.0 is, you should understand what Web 1.0 is and what Web 2.0 was. Now, Web 1.0 started around the late 80s, early 90s, and reached out to like the early 2000s to mid 2000s. Now, during that time, it was what you call a read only. A small group of people would go on the web and they would just post things. For example, news or websites. And then the consumers would go online and then just read what was available. Now Web 2.0 is what you call read and write. That was when content creation became a thing. So now you had middlemen, which were companies like Google and Facebook and etc., who were providing a service, just like how companies were providing a service in Web 1.0. The only difference this time was we could be creators and we could consume content. These companies allowed us to do both things. So what is Web 3.0? In Web 3.0, companies will provide these services. You just subtract the middleman. Everything becomes decentralized. That's essentially what it is. The same products and services that you had in Web 2.0, you now should be able to have or will come about, but there's no middleman. So instead of there being a Facebook who offers a social media service or a Google who offers a search engine website, there will be companies like The Graph, GRT, who offer a search engine website and it's completely decentralized, meaning there's no middleman. Now, trust isn't needed in Web 3.0 because of the trust system that comes with the basis of blockchain. That technically means that any coin that provides a decentralized service, which replaces what's currently existing by removing the middleman, can be considered to be a part of Web 3.0. Now, what are some examples? If you're looking at cloud storage, well, Filecoin is a great example of a Web 3.0 protocol that is actually creating a decentralized cloud storage service where there is no middleman. Filecoin is basically shared hard drives. It's like the Airbnb of data storage. If you have a lot of expensive hard drives, you can offer that data storage on a decentralized manner to strangers on the internet. And the stranger and you are bound together by a smart contract. Now, we are in the pretty early stages of Web 3.0. There is no clear beginning or end for when Web 3.0 starts, but a good thing to understand is that most projects and companies do fail, a lot of startups. And a good example to look at is actually Yahoo during the dot-com bubble. Now, if you look at Yahoo, a lot of people were extremely optimistic about it and said that Yahoo was going to be the #1 search engine in the world. And what ended up happening? Well, they didn't become #1. Instead, Google overtook them by a huge amount and pretty much dominated that entire market share. So what are some potential Web 3.0 coins? Well, like I mentioned earlier in this video, you have The Graph, which is like a search engine on the decentralized blockchain Ethereum. You also have Filecoin, which is basically a decentralized cloud storage service. Other examples of decentralized storage services would be Storage. Ocean Protocol is a blockchain-based data exchange where anyone can build their own decentralized data marketplace. Another interesting one that I found was ENS, which is Ethereum Name Service. Basically, what they do is instead of showing your wallet address, you replace your wallet address with the name. And whenever you log in anywhere to any wallet, instead of seeing your wallet address, you actually see a username. And of course, the safest bet in Web 3.0 is just buying Ethereum. Now, there are a bunch of other coins that you can actually buy that would allow you to make an investment in Web 3.0. However, I'm not going to be listing every single coin because not every single coin has the potential to actually be successful. That involves doing a lot of research behind the company. Like I said, it might just be easier to purchase Ethereum. Now, I'm not a financial advisor, but for my portfolio, I actually have Ethereum and Filecoin as both of my Web 3 investments. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really do appreciate it. My goal in this channel is to reach 1,000 subscribers. So please hit that subscribe button, hit that like button for me so we can share this video out to other viewers and grow my channel. Thanks again for watching my video, guys. Take care.